I'm wondering if they think that when I do a stage show, I get paid in juicy layers of Trident gum while everyone else gets paid with money.
Bring the money, come, pile it up and put it down. Yeah, the whole of it, me know what you want me on.
Do you think you need to be censored?
No, I don't, you know what I mean? Because that's what I'm trying to tell Jamaica people. I'm an artist, I'm an entertainer. I get paid to entertain.
You get a youth, them a try stop for food. You know see a bag of people a suffer now. Me no dep on that, also come me effort. Hard enough fi dirty me fi clean, yeah, me pray for that. Girl a call, girl a text me a love letter me a. Go get a me a, change setter.
I'm not a religious leader and I'm not a political leader, you know what I mean?
Me go link up, sing around a Christian pen. Love God, but me don't have no Christian friend. Money chatty for that, me no response then.
I have kids of my own, you know what I mean? And I'm sure I'm growing my kids in the right and proper way.
Give me the girl and the money, keep the 6 months them. When they see me and my brother, we are the big man them. My parents have money, me no lean pon them. Also for me own, every dog get your bone. Yeah, we stand alone, better so we get the tune.
So it's just completely entertainment.
That is what we get paid to do, entertain.
Dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign. They shot at them a breed the dollar sign. Dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign. They shot at them a breed the dollar sign.
If they were to sum up who is Addi in one word, it would have to be like motivator. Definitely.
Get the money straight, then we are gonna celebrate. Call a pretty girl, tell her say we have a date. Or she never late, via check her if you wait. Work hard, play hard, every day. Likkle Addi name, I go Rastafarian. Anywhere me stay, you are just some stay. Be myself, me no gear, so me never change. UTG up, don't know a place.
What drives you?
My chauffeur.
Link up, sing around a Christian pen. Love God, but me don't have no Christian friend. Money chatty for that, me no response then. Give me the girl and the money, keep the 6 months them. When they see me and my brother, we are the big man them. My parents have money, me no lean pon them. Also for me own, every dog get your bone. Yeah, we stand alone, better so we get the tune.
What motivates you?
Life. Life, definitely.
Dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign. They shot at them a breed the dollar sign. Dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar.
I have my money.
Dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign. They shot at them a breed the dollar sign. Bring the money, come, pile it up and put it down. Yeah, the whole of it, me know what you want me on. You get a youth, them a try stop for food.
You know, we use this all about focusing on me. Right. Singing songs about my life, my experience.
You know see a bag of people a suffer now. Me no dep on that, also come me effort. Hard enough fi dirty me fi clean, yeah, me pray for that. Girl a call, girl a text me a love letter me a. Go get a me a, change setter.
Benz put on because we have the Benz. Cake soap because we have the cake soap. You know what I mean? Big bike bumper because we have the big bike. So I'm just doing me and singing about my life.
Me go link up, sing around a Christian pen. Love God, but me don't have no Christian friend. Money chatty for that, me no response then. Give me the girl and the money, keep the 6 months them. When they see me and my brother, we are the big man them. My parents have money, me no lean pon them. Also for me own, every dog get your bone. Yeah, we stand alone, better so we get the tune.
Addi was born to do. Because I can't really explain how I do it. Even though I don't write anymore. We just go in the studio, put on the headphone and just meds. Yeah.
Dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar, dollar sign. They shot at them a breed the dollar sign.